Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am kind of getting fed up of this non-stop rain, I have to be honest. It is so grey. It really is kind of grey and cold. So I have to make another comforting, delicious dish. And I have got another super simple one pan. Happens to be vegan, healthy and ready in 30 minutes. So let's not waste any time and make this delicious spinach chickpea curry. I'm going to start by finely chopping, roughly chopping 2 medium-sized onions. A nice hot pan, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil or oil of your choice. Let it heat up nicely. Can add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, teaspoon of mustard seeds. Just let them sizzle up nicely, and then I'm going to add the onions. I'm just going to cook this for 8 to 10 minutes until they are nicely golden. And while the onions are cooking, I'm going to chop up 2 to 3 garlic cloves and a small piece of ginger. Just roughly chop them up. And once this is nicely, beautifully golden, I'm going to add the chopped up ginger and garlic and continue to cook this for a minute. So after a minute, now this is the time you can add some green chilies. I'm going to skip that today. I'm going to add 250 grams of baby spinach to this. So if you just add in all the spinach, and then cover with the lid and cook this for 2 minutes until the spinach has wilted. Do this on medium-low heat, otherwise it will burn from the bottom. So 2 minutes done and the spinach has wilted down really nicely. Look at that. Beautiful. So I am going to now put this all in a blender and blitz it to a puree. So I have got this pan empty now. I'm going to return it to the hob and just add a little bit of oil to this. A couple of tablespoons of oil. Then, so as you can see, I haven't washed the pan. It's still the same pan, and I'm going to add 2 tins of 400 grams chickpeas. So that's a total of 800 grams of tinned chickpeas. I've just drained and rinsed it, and now I'm going to add some spices to this. In goes a teaspoon of salt, a little bit of chili powder to taste. I'm using half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of garam masala, and a teaspoon of ground coriander. And now for this exciting 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. And now I'm just going to cook this on high heat. I'm going to turn the heat up and then just cook this on high heat so that the kind of seal the chickpeas with all the flavors of the masalas, and also it might crisp up some of the chickpeas, the bottom ones. So I'm just going to let it sit for 3 to 4 minutes. So after 2 minutes, I'm just going to use a potato masher and mash, not all of it, just don't like crush everything, just 2, 4, 5 times. So the kind of some of the chickpeas will slightly open up, as you can see, and then just cook it for last 2 minutes. Oh my god, this is going to taste delicious. It's been total of 5 minutes. Now look at that. Can you see? A bit of it is stuck at the bottom, which is lovely. Oh my god, this smells intensely delicious. And now I'm going to add the pureed spinach to this. Oh. So whatever is left, I'm just going to add 100 ml of water to this mixer so I can get all of this out. So there, I've added the water to the blender so I can get every little bit out. Then all of it goes into the pan. And now we just mix this up. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Awesome. Oh, delicious. So I just want everything to kind of come together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover and cook this on really low heat for 5 minutes. So here it is, been 5 minutes. I have to say I'm so excited about this. I cannot wait to tuck in. And because we have spiced the chickpeas up with all the delicious spices, there is no need to add any extra spices once you've added the spinach, because they will get all their kind of flavors and seasoning from the chickpeas. And because we've seasoned the chickpeas and cooked them, they will taste really, really delicious, and we've smashed them, which is going to add to the flavor of the curry. So to finish this and balance it out, which is really important, is I'm going to add half a teaspoon of honey. Just making sure that it dissolves, doesn't stay in a lump. And also a little bit of lemon juice or lime juice, whatever you have at home. Just let it come together. And honestly, all that's left to do is taste this deliciousness. And yeah, I am so excited about this. So I'm going to make some piping hot chapatis to go with this. You can make super soft chapatis at home. They're also called rotis, and you can find the recipe masterclass on my channel. But right now, oh wow, wow, that is delicious. Without the cream, there's no cream, but it's so creamy, and that lemon juice is really needed to lift the whole thing up. And that honey, it doesn't make it sweet at all, but it just kind of balances the flavors, and it's really, really important. Just half a teaspoon, but it makes such a big difference. It's got the lovely warmth of the garam masala and the coriander powder. It's absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous. So easy, ready in 30 minutes, one pan dish. Hope you will enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again next week for another new recipe. Till then, keep cooking, and I'll see you soon. Bye.